Unforgettable Learning, Mastering Spaced Repetition. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful techniques to supercharge your vocabulary retention: spaced repetition. By the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage this technique to maximize your vocabulary recall. Let's get started. Spaced repetition is a learning technique where information is reviewed at increasing intervals over time. Instead of cramming all at once, you spread out your study sessions. This method leverages our understanding of memory, where memories fade over time unless they are actively recalled. Imagine planting a seed in your memory garden. To ensure it grows, you need to water it. At first, it might need water daily, but as it grows stronger, it requires less frequent watering. Similarly, with spaced repetition, you review a word or concept just when you're about to forget it, strengthening your memory each time. The science behind spaced repetition lies in the forgetting curve. This curve demonstrates that our ability to recall information diminishes rapidly after learning unless it's actively reviewed. But with each review, the curve becomes less steep, meaning the information is retained for longer periods. By using spaced repetition, you're essentially flattening your forgetting curve. Instead of forgetting a new word quickly, you retain it for longer and longer periods until it becomes a permanent part of your memory. Here's a simple way to implement spaced repetition into your vocabulary learning. 1. First review. After learning a new word, review it after a day. 2. Second review. If you recall it easily, wait for 3 days and then review it. 3. Third review. If successful again, wait for a week, and then a month, and so on. 4. Note: if you struggle to recall the word at any point, reset the interval and review it the next day. For manual tracking, you can use flashcards. Write the word on one side and its meaning on the other. Whenever you review, sort the cards into easy, medium, and hard piles, adjusting your review intervals for each pile. While manual methods are effective, there are also various apps available that automate the spaced repetition process. Examples include Anki, Quizlet, and SuperMemo. These apps adjust your review schedule based on your performance, ensuring optimal intervals for each word or concept. And that wraps up our deep dive into spaced repetition. By integrating this technique into your vocabulary learning routine, you'll be on your way to mastering and retaining more words efficiently. Remember, it's not about how often you study, but how smartly you study. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.